Wagwan, what's great? But wait, you have your plate. Alright then. I'm going to show you if you cook something hot in the pot. We're not talking about spice. When we say hot, we mean something tastes good. And we're going back to our Jamaican roots today. I promised myself that, listen, each and every Sunday, you need to stick to tradition.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Right now, we're going to be making. When me talk, say, that's a long minute on camera. Honestly with me. So, for many of you, you've been following me on my Instagram. Of course, Hawt_chef. I've been doing a lot of workout, meaning working out every single day because I want to get nice and thick. Like them dumpling on me about to create food, you see. And I told myself, okay, one more to say cheat meal, but 1 meal per week. And that has to be my Jamaican food. Go back to our roots. Every Sunday in Jamaica, we have to have rice and peas. That's standard, whatever meat, fish or poultry. You get where I come from? And then now for breakfast, we're going to be whipping up some corned beef. We call it bully beef, you know. See it there, you know. Bully beef, corned beef, anything you call it. This is what we're working with. And we have 2 cans of that because you don't know sure where I eat from that. And we have our thing over here where we're going to be doing some fried dumpling, of course. And we're going to be doing a little bit of plantain. See? Right here for the corned beef, we have a white onion diced up, 1 whole white onion. I have here 2.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Over here we have a little bit of scotch bonnet to your tolerance, because I don't know if you have scotch bonnet in the thing. And as I said, 2 cans of corned beef. So tell Grace, make case and sponsor the thing. For the fried dumpling now we have some baking powder. Right, I have a video out on fried dumpling 2 actually, you can check those out. I'm not going to give you too much of a full detail of the fried dumpling. So we have, and the measurements are in those other videos. So fried dumpling, we have some baking powder as I said. We have brown sugar. Brown sugar. You don't know me brown sugar. So yeah, brown sugar, that's what we're using. I don't have any granulated sugar, so we're using B sugar, no G sugar. We have some, but G sugar is the sugar to use, but we say use a hand make fashion, use what you have. So we have here some salt going in the flour, going in the fried dumpling. Then we have some butter right here. Of course, water, nothing can come together without water. And some all-purpose flour for the fried dumpling. And we're gonna sift that to make everything nice and you know the thing go. I'm gonna show you how we do with that. So first up, let's get this fried dumpling going. A lot of people have been saying to me, yo, fried your dumpling, them are so sexy. So today, we're gonna get that cracking. Little bit of sugar in the dumpling. Preferably, I like to do this overnight because my fried dumpling, I find they're nice and soft when you let them rest. Now we got that mixed in, we're gonna go into our water. Get out the door. That is it. And there we go. So right now, we're gonna kickstart our corned beef, bully beef Jamaican style. So first thing, heat up your pan. We're gonna heat that with some oil. You can use coconut oil or olive oil, anything you have. Using 3 tablespoons. And right off the bat, you're gonna go in with some onion. And the goal here is to get this onion nice and translucent. I'm gonna add our scotch bonnet pepper in. So you get all of that flavor out. Gonna season the onion with a little bit of salt. Not too much, because remember now, the beef is salty, right? Some fresh black pepper. Mix that in. So corned beef, if you've never had it before, it's like ground beef, but it's already pre-cooked and it's salted, right? So that's why we didn't add too much salt in this recipe. So we just season the onions a little bit, and we just like ground beef, treat it like ground beef. But this a ghetto people beef, you see? Because cheap. We're gonna mash that out. We don't want no clumps. Add some water, because I like when it has some sauce to it, right? Add a bit of water in there and some tomato ketchup. What I like to do to finish off, some fresh black pepper. I want you to put this on low heat, and we're just going to cover that and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. You can add your peppers in, you can add tomatoes, whichever one floats your boat. Because right now, just some scotch bonnet pepper and some onion do the trick, and a little bit of tomato ketchup. Of course, if you don't have tomato, you can use ketchup. If you don't have ketchup, you can use tomato. You see, but there we go, nice and ready. And we have over here the beautiful, the gorgeous fried dumpling, as always. You see, we have our fried plantain. Beef in the center like so. Beautiful and nice and soft. Just a little bit of that beef in the center. How much fried dumpling you want? Tell me now. How much do you need? 2, 3, lovely. Lovely. Some nice plantain to that. Because everybody want to beat me when me not give them the plantain. Because we're serving this to the kids. You can't overdo it, so we'll put this on the side with the scotch bonnet. See that? See how that corned beef looks nice and moist? Whoa. That's what we're talking about. And there you have it. How to make your Jamaican corned beef, aka bully beef, aka ghetto ground beef. And there you go. Nice and simple. As I said, you can put some bell peppers in here, tomato if you don't have ketchup, or ketchup if you don't have tomato. Either one works, but simple is best. Just some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, saute that down nicely. Little bit of tomato ketchup, a little bit of water, as you saw. Just get that nice and see it there now. Enjoy. Try dumpling in your body. Tell them don't play. Hot pot. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Food in my mouth. Safe travel upon the gravel. I'll go and big up for yourself.